Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this gorgeous and very beautiful Rajasthani man fridge magnet. This is the Rajasthani guy who is wearing the turban with big mustache, and this is very colorful. I will share how to create the base, how to do all the quilling work in the step by step procedure. So let's get started. So here this is the template which is given in the description box, and you can just simply print it out on A4 size paper. And first of all, I am just coloring this image using some acrylic colors. I will prefer to use acrylics only because after doing the quilling work, due to the liquid glue, it may smudge if you are using water based colors. So try to use acrylic colors or chalk paints. So just quickly I am coloring it. And the coloring is done. It's completely dried. Now I will show you how to make the quilling shapes. Here I am taking one strip of red color, just creating some loops in increasing order till the end of strip. Just secure the end using glue and pinch it in one direction like this. Similarly, I have prepared some more already. So I will start decorating this red portion using these red color quilled shapes. And this is done. Similarly, I will do the remaining red portion, and also I have done the green section with the same procedure. Now I will tell you one more method of filling the design. So you just need to take a strip and quilling tool and making one loose coil, and then we have to create one teardrop shape in bended direction like this. So according to the space and size, you need to take the size of the strip. Here I am using 45 centimeter strips, and according to the length of the design, I am taking the strip, whether it is one full strip or half strip or 1/4 strip. So this you have to decide on which part what length will be required. So all the blue portions are covered. Now similarly I am covering this yellow portion using these bended teardrop shapes. Do it very tight, and the coils should be very close and neatly attached with each other to fill the complete pattern. Like this, it's looking very amazing and attractive. Then to create hands, here I am taking one strip of peach color in 3 mm and making one bended teardrop shape. Similarly, I have prepared one more. So I'm just joining both the shapes together and wrapping it using peach color strip. Secure the end using glue and the hand is ready. In the same way, I have prepared one more hand. So I'm just sticking the hands like this. Then to start with nose, I have already prepared some shapes using teardrops and some tight coils. And also attaching black color teardrop shapes for the moustache like this. Then to fill this red portion, that is the red dress, I am using bended teardrops in red color. Here I am using light red color. Similarly, I will cover the remaining portion. So the quilling pattern is completely covered on all the paintings. So I am just trimming the excess paper all around the design. Do it very carefully and slowly. Don't cut your quilling design, just trim the excess paper. And this is done. It's looking very beautiful and attractive. Now to make it more stiff and hard from backside, I am taking here one mount board piece cut out, and which is little smaller in size than the original one, and I am just sticking it on backside. I am taking it a little smaller size purposely because it should not be visible from front side. So just to hide it and to give it strength, I am sticking the mount board piece. Then to decorate the turban, here I am using some stones in silver color and some ball chains. So the decoration is completely done and it's looking very attractive and beautiful. The decoration is also dried. Now it's time to fix the magnet. So on back side of this I'm adding glue and sticking this strong magnet. Allow it to dry completely for 10 to 15 minutes and you are good to go. Now you can decorate your fridge or metal almirah using these beautiful welcome Rajasthani guy fridge magnets. And that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.